Are you sick of wasting tons and tons of money on skin and hair care? What if the ultimate fix for glowing skin and strong shining hair was right in your kitchen? Ayurveda has trusted it for centuries and science backs it up too. This golden magic hydrates, heals, and transforms. So ready for the secret? Let's dive into the magic of ghee. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra and welcome to eBlosis, where we blend ancient Ayurvedic wisdom with modern science for more natural healing. The question we are going to answer in this video is that can ghee be used for skin care and hair care? If yes, then how? Ghee, a beloved staple in Ayurvedic healing, has been used for centuries for nurturing both skin and hair. Its rich content of healthy fats, antioxidant, and essential nutrients make it an exceptional natural remedy. Here is a deeper look at how ghee benefits the skin and hair, explained from both Ayurvedic and modern perspectives. Number one is ghee for skin care. Ghee's nourishing properties make it a remarkable moisturizer and healing agent for the skin. Number one is moisturizing and nourishing. In Ayurveda, dry skin is often linked to an imbalance in the Vata dosha. Ghee, being rich in healthy fats and lubricating properties, effectively balance this dosha, providing deep hydration to the skin. Modern science confirms that ghee's fat, especially short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, work by locking in moisture and promoting soft and smooth skin. Healing dry and cracked skin is another benefit of using ghee. When the skin becomes excessively dry, it can lead to cracks and irritation. Ghee helps heal dry, cracked skin due to its snigdha, that is oily unctuous, and ushna, that is warming qualities, which supports skin regeneration. It promotes the healing of chapped lips, cracked heels, or rough skin in gentle, but in natural way. Additionally, the presence of vitamin A, E in the ghee enhances healing effect by encouraging cell repair and regeneration. Next is anti-aging properties. According to Ayurveda, aging is linked to decline of ojas, so the vital energy responsible for longevity and vitality. But ghee helps maintain and enhance ojas, so reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If we see in the modern perspective, this supports this by noting that ghee's antioxidant neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress that accelerate aging. Next benefit is skin brightening. It is believed in Ayurveda to improve the tejas, the glow of a skin. Its rich fatty acids help restore skin vitality, leaving complexion looking radiant and healthy. Also for calming skin inflammations, ghee's shita, cooling properties, balances pitta dosha, which governs heat and inflammation. So in case of eczema, sunburns, or rashes, ghee's soothing anti-inflammatory properties can calm the skin and restore its balance. Modern research indicates that the butyrate in the ghee has anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce redness, swelling, and irritation. Now we're going to talk about how ghee is helpful for hair care. So in Ayurveda, hair is considered a byproduct of a bone tissue. So means when your bones are formed, the byproduct is nail and hair. So the health of bones directly impact the strength and the quality of hair. Ghee plays a vital role in ensuring that bones are nourished, which in turn supports the growth of healthy hair. To promote hair growth, according to Ayurveda, healthy bones promote healthy hair. And since ghee is a potent yogvahi, a substance that enhances the effect of other herbs and food, it plays a crucial role in bone formation. Strong bones means healthy hair follicles. Ghee's rich content of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E nourishes the scalp and stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation. So next is moisturizing and conditioning of the hair. Ghee is an excellent natural conditioner for the hair. It deeply nourishes the hair strands, making them soft, smooth, and shiny. Ayurveda describes ghee as a rasa, nourishing and sweet for the tissues, and these nourishing properties help to hydrate the hair, improving its texture and health. Modern science confirms that the fatty acids in the ghee penetrate the hair shaft, providing hydration and preventing dryness. So it repairs split ends and prevent damage. The madhur, the sweet, the snigdha, the oily properties of ghee help in moisturizing and preventing hair from becoming brittle or dry. Regular application of ghee on the hair helps to repair split end and strengthen the hair follicles. Ghee also is very helpful in preventing dandruff. So dry scalp often linked with the vata dosha leading to dandruff. So ghee's hydrating and nourishing properties prevent dryness. It reduces the dandruff. In addition, ghee's shita, the cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, soothe scalp irritation and calm inflammation, keeping the scalp balanced. Another important benefits of a ghee if you want to add shine and luster to your hair. Ayurveda associate the tejas, radiance and overall health, and ghee help to bring shine to your hair. The nourishing fatty acids in the ghee add natural glows, making hair look more vibrant and lustrous. Now we know that ghee is good for hair care and skin care. The important point is how to use ghee for skin and hair care. For skin care, you can apply ghee directly to dry area of the skin like elbows, knees or cracked heels. For face, gently massage a small amount of ghee before bedtime for overnight nourishment. Warm a small amount of a ghee and massage it into your scalp. Yes, that's true. Focusing on the root, leave it on for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then wash it out with a mild shampoo. You can also apply ghee to the end of your hair for added hydration and taking care of split ends. Another important way of using ghee for your skin and the hair is nasal drops. So putting 2 drops of ghee in each nostrils help to nourish the skin and hair directly, because as nose is said in Ayurveda to be the doorstep of head, and Ayurveda code Nasa Shirsho Dwara. So ghee isn't just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse for skin and hair, from deep hydration to anti-aging magic, from boosting hair growth to eliminating dandruff. This Ayurvedic gem does it all. And the best part, no chemical, no side effect, just pure natural nourishment. So why spend fortunes on chemical-laden products when nature already has the answer? So try ghee for your skin and hair and experience the glow and the strength Ayurveda has promised for centuries. So have you ever used ghee for beauty care? Share your experience below and don't forget to subscribe to eBlosis and hit the bell icon. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.